Hi guys, it's Colette, and for day 9 of the 2020 12 Days of Christmas nail art, we'll be working on these gold and silver snowflakes. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal preference. For my base color, I'll be using Holo Not Milky White. Once I have that applied, I'll be using a quick dry top coat to speed things up. Before I start stamping, I'm going to protect around my cuticles with liquid latex. For the stamping, I'm going to be using the MoYou Festive Collection number 2 plate, as well as my MoYou Crystal Clear stamper, and then I have a gold and a silver pigment that I'll be using. The first step is going to be to buff a small amount of pigment onto the stamper. Don't need to cover a large area, just enough of an area for the design that you're going to be stamping. Of course, you want to make sure you have enough. And then I'm going to be using one of the larger snowflakes and applying it so that about half of it goes on my cuticle. For my stamping polish, I'm using Not Milky White again. If any extra pigment transfers, you can use a brush to brush it off. And then I'm going to go ahead and peel off the latex. Once you're done stamping, you can do any cleanup. If there are any spots on the nail that the fan brush didn't take care of, you can go in with a Q-tip with acetone, and then I'll be going in around the edges with my usual small brush. Once you're done with cleanup, you can finish with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how these turned out. There's a little bit of inconsistency in the placement, but with pigment over the stamper, that's kind of hard to avoid. I had the same sort of a problem with the night version, but I'm glad they ended up as centered as they are. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can join me over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.